Best portable camping fridges. As outdoor adventures grow in popularity, more campers are seeking the best portable camping fridges to keep food fresh, beverages chilled, and supplies organized on the go. Quality and durability are top priorities as buyers look for efficient cooling systems that perform reliably in rugged conditions. This guide evaluates fridge type, build quality, cooling performance, capacity, portability, and
Product number 1 is the Bouge RV 12-volt 30-quart portable freezer. The Bouge RV 30-quart portable freezer is an excellent choice for campers who need strong cooling performance without sacrificing space or energy efficiency. Its compressor-based system delivers fast cooling down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for frozen foods, drinks, and temperature-sensitive supplies. The 30-quart capacity is ideal for weekend trips, offering enough room for essentials without feeling bulky. Its low power consumption design works well with portable power stations and vehicle batteries, ensuring hours of reliable operation. The durable exterior resists outdoor wear, and the intuitive control panel allows easy temperature adjustments. Noise is kept to a minimum, which is great for overnight use. Portability is impressive thanks to its compact frame and sturdy handles. Overall, it's a dependable all-around option, blending generous capacity, efficient cooling, and travel-ready durability at a competitive price.
Product number 2. Bouge RV 12-volt 23-quart portable freezer. Compact, efficient, and built for adventure, the Bouge RV 23-quart portable freezer is a smart pick for solo travelers or couples. With a slightly smaller footprint, it fits easily in cars, boats, or tents, while still offering dependable compressor cooling that reaches -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The 23-quart capacity holds enough for shorter trips or day outings, and users appreciate the low energy draw that protects car batteries. Despite its compact size, it maintains steady temperature performance even in hot weather. The digital control panel is straightforward, giving you full control over cooling modes and temperature settings. The rugged exterior stands up well to outdoor use, and built-in handles make transport hassle-free. For those who want a reliable 12V fridge with strong cooling but don't need a large interior, this Bouge RV model offers impressive performance and excellent value in a portable, space-saving design.
Product number 3. UHomey 12-volt 19QT 18-liter portable refrigerator. For campers who prefer smart features and high portability, the UHomey 19QT fridge is a standout option. This lightweight compressor cooler cools rapidly from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and lets you monitor and adjust settings directly from its mobile app, perfect for multitasking during camping or road trips. With an 18-liter capacity, it's great for snacks, drinks, or small meal storage. The unit's energy-efficient system and low-noise operation make it ideal for overnight use in tents or vehicles. Its sturdy construction provides good durability for off-grid activities, while the built-in handles ensure easy carrying. The interior layout is simple but functional, offering enough room for daily essentials. If you value modern convenience, compact size, and dependable cooling, this UHomey mini portable fridge offers an outstanding balance of technology and practicality for lightweight adventures.
Product number 4. UHomey 12-volt 59QT 55-liter portable freezer. The UHomey 59QT portable freezer is built for extended camping trips, RV living, and large group outings where capacity matters. With a spacious 55-liter interior, it easily accommodates family-sized food packs, drinks, and frozen goods, serving as a full travel refrigerator. The powerful compressor system delivers temperatures from -4 degrees F to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and maintains them consistently even in extreme heat. Users can adjust settings through the onboard display or smartphone app, adding convenience during long trips. Despite its size, it remains energy efficient and safe for vehicle batteries. Strong side handles and durable construction make it suitable for rugged use, though the large capacity means it's heavier than small models. The dual-zone style layout helps organize items more easily. Overall, this is a high-performance cooler for serious travelers who need maximum storage, reliable cooling, and smart features in one heavy-duty unit.
Product number 5, a Outcool C15 16-quart portable car freezer. The Outcool C15 is a compact yet powerful portable freezer, perfect for short camping trips, solo adventures, or as a secondary car fridge. Despite its small 16-quart capacity, it impresses with strong compressor cooling, capable of reaching -4 degrees Fahrenheit quickly. This makes it great for chilling drinks, keeping travel snacks cold, or storing essentials like medicines and perishables. Its lightweight build and molded handles enhance portability, allowing it to fit easily in car trunks, back seats, and small tents. The simple control interface is user-friendly, and the fridge runs efficiently on 12-volt power with minimal battery drain. It also includes interior organization features like a removable basket. Known for reliability and affordability, the Outcool C15 offers excellent value for campers who want something ultra-portable yet capable of true deep freezing, perfect for road trips, fishing days, and everyday vehicle use.